Every estimate depends on trusted cost information. With DESTINI Cost Library, teams can centralize and organize the cost items, assemblies, classifications, and standards that power their estimating workflows. Users can quickly navigate structured cost data, search for the information they need, and manage detailed pricing in one connected environment. Cost Library also gives organizations greater control over how standards are maintained. Teams can test updates in a sandbox, review changes, and publish approved information with confidence, helping ensure estimators across offices and regions are working from the same trusted foundation. As part of DESTINI Cloud, that knowledge can support connected workflows across takeoff, estimating, bidding, and analytics. The result is greater consistency, stronger governance, and cost knowledge that improves with every project. DESTINI Cost Library. Create standards, control change, build knowledge,